Welcome to Frequency Matters, the RF Microwave Update Series. I'm Pat Hindle. I'm here with my co-host Eric Heim and special guest Wendy Hsu, CEO of Aerovant.
Hi,
Welcome.
thank you. Thank you both for having me. Super excited to be here.
So we've seen a lot of things at IMS 2024 here on the second day, and I was wondering maybe what kind of trends you're seeing in the market.
Yeah, I see more and more higher frequency, right? And we're starting to see waveguide and gold-plated parts in more and more booths. Another trend I'm seeing is that there are a lot more collaborations. I think that there used to be a lot more exclusivity. People were really committed to each other. These companies only worked with one another. And now you're seeing a lot more companies reaching out and building an ecosystem, which is wonderful for the industry.
It is great. And how about Aerovant itself? I think you've divided into 4 business units because you've grown so much.
Yes, we have an ambitious vision, which is to make millimeter wave accessible, and so our portfolio continues to grow. Sometimes it's a lot and hard to talk about, and so we've built it into 4 different business units. Most of the industry knows us for our single function COTS, our commercial off-the-shelf components. Then we started stepping more and more into the test equipment market and doing more in custom modules and engineering design work, and then finally more services for calibration and pattern measurement and things like that.
Yeah, I think I was going to say the same thing. The trends I've seen today are a lot of 100 gigahertz plus applications, a lot of D-band and test and measurement. We've seen, you guys are doing a lot in millimeter wave.
Yeah.
We have Markey and Hyperlabs making, 100 gigahertz plus components.
Yeah.
Of course, Rohde & Schwartz and Keysight have always been in that area doing well, and Ritsu. So it's just a whole host of people moving up in frequencies as we approach 6G and find other ways to use, not only for communications, but for sensing. So I think that's really the future. Eric, how about you?
Yeah, I think I will echo that, and that move up in frequency is even to connectors and cables and things that are necessary, obviously, but when you see them for the first time, you say, well, that's kind of neat that everything has gotten so small. The other thing I noticed, too, is that it seems like there's a dichotomy where companies that are in certain market applications, certain geographies, are kind of working through some excess inventory, while other companies that have different market focuses are going great guns. So that's been interesting as well.
Part of making millimeter wave accessible is also helping folks who have not been in the millimeter wave space or uncomfortable with waveguide design into those interfaces. And so in some ways we're creating competitors for ourselves, but on the other hand, we're really happy to see more and more of the industry embracing waveguide technology. It's our bread and butter. We love it.
That wraps up this episode. Our sponsor is Aerovant, and as Wendy has said, Aerovant is making millimeter wave accessible. If you are not already a subscriber, please go to our website and sign up on the website. It's free if you are a member of the industry. And thank you for watching this episode of Frequency Matters, and stay tuned for the next one.